What's up, guys? I have an unboxing from CCS to do, and let's just get right into it. Let me set you guys down so I can finish the unboxing. So, there everything is. Got receipt. Here is I got a Primitive shirt. As you can see right there, Primitive. And then there is a Nike SB hat. Yeah, pretty sweet. Got some Geico thing. And then 15% off to CCS. I'll unbox the hats right now so I can show you guys. So there's the hat. It's pretty sweet. I'll show you the shirt. There's the Primitive shirt. It's nice. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Subscribe.